Hello everyone, here's a quick little overview of the assignment for this week. As you can see, you're going to be choosing your topic, developing your research question, finding keywords, and doing your background research. So here is the list of topics that you can choose from, mostly from week 2. There's some stuff from week 1. If there's anything that's not on this list that you would like to do, use as your topic, feel free to email me. I'm sure it's probably going to be fine as long as it's something we covered in week 1 and 2. So here's some of the examples that I use, like social media and family, social media and friendships, stuff like that, privacy, internet use, social fragmentation. You can use anything, cell phones and inactivity, procrastination and internet, or social media and procrastination, any of those kind of combinations that you want to come up with. If you're unsure, like I said before, just email me. And here's some of the ones you can use from week 1: the groupthink, social media messages of inclusion or exclusion. And like I said, if you think of anything else that you'd like to do that's not listed here, just let me know. Then you're going to do your background research. This is not an in-depth research. You're just looking to find out a little about your topic and the language that surrounds it. And then here is a list of some of the databases. I always use the Gale Virtual Reference or Wikipedia, but these other ones are very helpful as well. And here's some login information. You'll need to log in order to access these. Then you're going to find your keywords. You're going to find 10 keywords. So there, and I'm going to show you in the background research demonstration, but they're usually in blue with links for both the Gale Virtual Reference and the Wikipedia. Then you're going to develop your research question. It can be just a simple question for right now. It's just a working research question because it may change as we start getting more in-depth into research in week 4 and 5. And then you're just going to write 2 things that you found interesting while doing your background research. And that is pretty much it. And then I have a example right here on the front page. Now I got way more than 10 because the more keywords you have, the more you have to choose from when we start searching in the databases. But you don't have to have as many as I did. You only need to have 10. Okay? If you guys have any questions on that, let me know. Also watch the background research tutorial, okay?